Hi guys, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm really excited for you to take a look at this property at 5513 Redfox Rd. This is a gorgeous Southwest home located in the gated Greyfox subdivision. It's sitting on 1.15 acres. It's 3164 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom with an office, 2.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, has a pool, hot tub. Just an incredible property. So let's go in and take a look around. As you walk into the home, you'll just see all the great Southwest touches. You have the exposed vigas, latilla in the ceilings, beautiful skylights here to add natural light. When you walk in, you're walking into the formal living room here. It does have an exit out to the backyard. The home has wooden casement windows. Alright guys, now I'm standing in this large formal dining room. This is a really nice room. You have the exposed wood ceilings with the vigas, 2-sided fireplace here, and this great picture window looking out to the Oregon Mountains. The chef kitchen has every amenity that you could possibly need. You have a wine refrigerator, you have under rope lighting and above on the cabinets as well. It has a trash compactor, you have a vented hood here with the pot filler, you have a 5-burner gas burner stove. Just a great kitchen here. It is opened up to the family room and an eating area as well. The master retreat is a great space. You have this huge room here with a Kiva fireplace. You do have surround sound throughout the house. Plenty of room for a king-size bed and nightstands and all your furniture. The spacious master bathroom has double sinks with granite countertops, a little vanity area, a large walk-in shower with rain shower. You have a great bathtub with jetted tub and a large master closet. The nice sized guest bedrooms are very spacious. One of them has a walk-in closet and an entrance into the guest bathroom. The home sits on 1.15 acres, so you have this incredible spacious backyard. You have some mountain views, huge patio area here with the wood beams. There is surround sound out here. You have this gorgeous pool with the electric pool cover. It does have a hot tub. The pool also has solar coils on the roof that help heat the pool. Guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 5513 Redfox Rd. Again, this is a gorgeous Southwest home sitting on 1.15 acres. It's a 3-bedroom with an office, 2.5 baths, has a great 3-car garage, and then you have this gorgeous backyard with a pool, hot tub, solar coils on the roof for heating the pool. There are so many amenities. It's got solid wood doors, it's got a water softener, central vacuum system. It has everything. So give me a call, Ron Bruder at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandloscruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.